specialists are trained to measure and scan your feet to determine the proper size, width, and level of support for your perfect fit. Don't just guess, get the right shoes the first time. New Balance Toronto, your neighborhood fit specialist for over 24 years.
It's hard to make time for everything on your to-do list, especially at this time of year. But blood and plasma donors are essential to helping meet patients' needs. We're asking you to add a donation to your to-do list.
Because our communities depend on it.
Because it's critical to my son's treatment.
Because you might need it in an emergency.
Make donating a life-saving habit. For patients and the people who love them, you'll make all the difference. Visit blood.ca to book a donation appointment at a Canadian Blood Services location near you.
680 News Time, 10:51. Time for traffic and weather together on the ones. Checking your drive. Brandon DePont.
Thanks a lot to John, and right now things getting a little bit busy, starting to for sure.